Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a closer look at the LA Salt Company Kashmir Pink Himalayan Salt Jar. But before we get started, let's take a moment to appreciate where this salt comes from. Sourced directly from the pristine region of northern Pakistan, this salt is as pure as it gets. Formed millions of years ago beneath layers of lava and rock, it has been sheltered from modern-day pollution, resulting in one of the purest salts on the planet. Now, what sets this salt apart from the rest? Well, besides its beautiful pink hue, it's packed with over 84 trace minerals, making it not only a flavorful addition to your dishes but also a nourishing one for your body. Available in a convenient 2.5-pound jar, this coarse Himalayan salt is perfect for a variety of culinary uses. Whether you're seasoning grilled meats, roasting vegetables, or even indulging in a luxurious salt bath, this salt has got you covered. But wait, there's more. LA Salt Company offers a variety of grain sizes to suit your every need. From fine powder for delicate seasoning to coarse grains for a robust flavor punch, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the certifications. This salt is kosher, vegan, halal, and non-GMO, so you can feel good about using it in all your favorite recipes. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the quality, taste, and value of this culinary salt. From enhancing the flavors of their dishes to its ease of use, it's clear that LA Salt Company Kashmir Pink Himalayan Salt is a must-have in any kitchen. And there you have it, folks. LA Salt Company Kashmir Pink Himalayan Salt Jar, the perfect blend of flavor, purity, and quality. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of top-notch products. Until next time, happy cooking!